buy first. Okay, so today we'll look through some few pairs. Okay, look through some few pairs. So look on gold. Look on gold. So gold so far. Look on gold so far. Gold so far. In our previous analysis, we were analyzing on gold to bounce off the area and will push up. But we can see gold rather came close to this level here, lower low here, and then what? Giving us a nice rejection here, and what? Moving up, moving up, moving up. So if we have our two most recent touches here, let's go to the 4-8. I think when you check on our previous analysis, we did analyze that. We did analyze that gold will move to this angle. So as it's moving correctly, we move to these levels here. Okay, so first our trend line was just here. The gold will move to these angles here before finally we're committed to the downside. Finally committed to the downside. So a quick recap on that. How these levels here. So we had price, I think, literally play at this side. Then we're looking for gold to come to this level here, moving correctively. So we're looking for an extension of how this corrective is. And that takes furthermore outside. I'll go to behave like this. I couldn't get that. Okay, but we got rather some little momentum in it. We're talking about what good breaking this line and pausing up, giving us this corner face, and we'll continue to the upside. Okay, but we got what a really nice setup rather than one good coming to this level here, giving us a little rejection as well, then pushing up with momentum. So this is what pretty much good has done so far. So the next thing that we are looking for now on gold is for more momentum to the upside, Gold has given us this nice double bottom. Remember the earlier on we stated that what gold has to come to this, move to this session, giving us this first touch, second touch, before we see a move downwards again, So pretty much gold has been doing this very nicely. So when we come to the 1 hour, you can see what we have our nice, some bottoms here that could have gotten. We got our first entry here, stop losses above below the trend line. Then I think we had our first TP at this session here, first TP 1:3. Then the next thing we are looking on is what gold to give us other continuation moves. So if we have our trend line here, we can have a mini trend line here. Touch on. This here, giving us this. This structure wise, so we'll be looking for other continuation phases. This way, so we'll continue pushing up, okay. So a quick update on gold. I'll keep you guys posted on any changes on it. You can even see what happened. Okay, look at the candlestick rejection. Giving us a nice rejection on gold. So let's check on US30. Okay, so after we have US30 breaking away from this level, giving us this continuation pattern pushing down, we have USDT moving up and down, Okay, so this level here is our high value area here in the market that we are looking for. Okay, we can have some sort of relations at this level here. Some sort of relations at this level here. Well, I'm up this sort of relation here. So yeah, probably seeing now what the US30 will push up like this, giving us this nice move here, giving us this 1, 2, 3 confirmation. I'm not picking these levels here, faking people out, catching people at the wrong side, and now finally coming to the downside. Coming to the downside. So that's what we're probably looking on Us30. Okay, we're only looking on Us30. Let's not forget to there are other scenarios that might play out. May have a push up, continuation phase like this, and then another push up. We're going to make this touch here, or you can say both Us30 will finally commit to the downside. But let's just keep our first scenario or our first look on Us30 will be what to push to this level here in a corrective manner here, giving us this third touch here, and finally forming this nice ascending pattern here, breaking below, giving us another continuation pattern to the downside, So if not that, we can have a push up, taking people out, drop it down below, then we're committing to the downside. Okay, so there's one scenario that I look at it. What happened previously here? You can have probably the same move what happening. So this one way that we can be looking at what US30 what happened previously here can be the same thing that might what happening here, giving us that long fake breakout and finally pushing in with what a momentum candle that will connect to the downside. And we have other entries on US30. We have other entries on US30 in this entry here before finally committing to the downside. So this is pretty much what we'll be looking on it. So if not that, then let's see. And this is what thing that we're looking for is the other way around. Then we could get US30 giving us this moving correctively to this angle forward, commenting to the downside. Before commenting to the downside. Okay, so let's see if we'll get our override move. Let's see if we get our override like this setup here, this nice setup here. Let's see if we get that override move. Okay, if not that, then the other way will work. If US30 will push up, continuation phase will push up. So I'll keep you guys posted on any changes on US30. Okay. So on Eurgbp has given us this nice setup that's already playing out. Okay, given us this nice setup that's already playing out. Okay, so I think previously we had the Eurgbp and this session here. This is what we have Eurgbp this session. So we were looking forward to give us that third touch confirmation. Eurgbp to give us that third confirmation. And we have our trainer here. And look at what happened. The price, we have Eurgbp. We are moving to that session. Okay, so as Eurgbp moves to that session, given us this nice tweezer tops, the two candlestick position here. So what we simply do, go towards a risk entrance, we move our trend line to this session here. And go with a risk entry here, and we're in a trade, a nice trade. Nice trade. And I guess early this morning we got another corrective phase that we got into it. And so you can see how beautiful what it's moving to the downside. You can see how beautiful it's moving to the downside. So our next level that we'll be looking at for Us30 for Eurgbp to hit is for these sessions so that we can get a nice trade on it. So we can get a nice 1:7% on this trade. Okay, so we're scaling another entry again on this pair again. So we're looking for other profits to come here. We'll go another 6.5% on what Eurgbp and Great Britain. So I think this much giving us a nice setup to looking up. Okay, so let's just see what happens when price gets to these levels here, and then we'll be looking for other continuation phases in it to get an entry level. So I'll keep you guys posted on any changes that have happened so far on Eurgbp. I'll keep you guys posted on any changes that happened so far. Okay, so thank you guys for another session. Okay, and hope you guys have a lovely week and make more profit. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted on any changes on this trade. Okay.